guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rudy Diamond. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, sorry about that. But anyway, for the ones who missed me, thank you. I miss y'all too. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep it pushing, alright? Anyway, so today I'll be doing crochet hairstyle, and I'll be using this hair called Tiana Passion Twist by Toyotress collection. It's right here. I hope it focuses. So anyway, there we go. It's from Toyotress. Yeah, so that's the hair I'll be using. I think I got this hair in about how many bundles? So it comes with this kind of bundle. It came in this kind of pack. This is not sponsored. I got this here for myself and I thought I might try it. Anyway, so I have about 8 packs in here, and hopefully it's enough. I got this hair a while back and I'm like, you know what, I need some to my hair. Might as well use it. I got this from Amazon, so if you want to get you one on Amazon, I will probably put the link in the description below. Anyway, let's get into this video. So first of all, I already did my braid pattern, so it's just like individual braids. Yeah, so there you have it. That's what I'll be doing today. So I'm just gonna tuck this little piece in with my crochet latch, crochet hook, whatever you call it. Ding ding. How we using this? My bad. The famous crochet latch hook, whatever you call it. So I'll be tucking this in. So this is how it looks 360. I pretty much crisscrossed some of them, so it doesn't look like, it doesn't give like space in between, so I can like give it like an illusion of me actually having individual braids. Anyway, so I'm just gonna give you a 360 real quick. All right, so let me try and tuck that in. Okay, so that's all tucked in. And this is what it looks like. So let me see what it looks like. So yeah. Now let's get straight into this video. Whoa. So I got this idea from, I saw this idea from Beauty Can Braid, and I also got the idea from this beautiful young lady called, one second, Mary Kay Bella. I'm rambling too much. Let me just get right into this video, okay? This is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Like, come on. That's pretty. That is pretty. Looks good on me. Anything looks good on me. I flatter myself so much. Yay. I got that. Drop right into the video. Hopefully my matchup. So pause. I know y'all thought I forgot to show y'all how I did the braid pattern. Just wait up for the next clip. So I pretty much just sectioned the hair like I would section regular braids, and I just braided one, and then braided the second, then connected the first braid to the second braid. Just keep watching and you get the gist of what I'm doing. I hope you actually got the hang of what I was doing. So it's just pretty much braid after braid, connecting braid, connect, braid, connect, braid, connect. It gave me a little bit of struggle at first, but when I got the hang of it, it was just like piece of cake. Like, I already knew how to do this before. If you're doing it on your own hand, it's kind of hard. So if you can find someone to help you with it, good for you. Well, yeah, okay. So this is me just oiling my scalp. It's really important you oil your scalp. Anyway, so enjoy the process. One down. A lot more to go. I'll be back when I'm done with my whole head here. Okay, so I am almost done with the hair, and as you can see, I have like few parts left, just little spaces that I need to fill up. So I'm just gonna I have like 4 pieces left, so I wish there was enough hair at the apex. I don't think it worked out. Man, it looks good like this. It looks really light, but I wish it was more because I like the whole full look. But anyway, we're gonna make this work with this 4 pieces. I have to make this work with this 4 pieces. Wish me luck, because I don't like it all really it's cute. It's really cute, but it's cute. But let me finish inserting. Gaps. I do not like the gaps. I'm sorry. I'm not too, I need more packs. I know it's going to be a lot fuller, but I would rather have the gaps filled than have it just showing and hanging like this. I'm sorry, I don't work my looks like that. No, thank you. Hey everyone, so this is day 5 with this hair, and I'm really contemplating if I should add more hair to it. I don't know if I want more. This is 8 packs of hair. I don't know if I want more, but yeah, I think I still need to fill in some gaps. So I got 2 more packs from Amazon. I got 2 more packs from Amazon. So I'm going to come in this operate. So yeah, so I'm just going to try and cut in some more hair. Hopefully it doesn't look too full or look too dramatic, because this looks so natural, and I wish I could keep it this way, but I think I want to fill in the gaps. But yeah, so I will be filling in the gaps. Well, let me show you guys. Let me show you. So you see? Little space right there.
Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's carrots?
Big space right here. I still have more room back here too. I still have some more room back here too. So I really don't want to add hair to this one. Just the front. I just want the front a little bit more fuller. So yeah. Okay, so I will be right back, and hopefully I am more satisfied when I add a little more hair to it. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay? I have 2 pieces left. I just used 1 pack because it was looking too full for me, and like I said, I didn't want it to look too dramatic. So, and for some reason I felt like, or I'm just tripping, this side is more full than this side. I don't know. So anyway, I don't really care. I just put this 2 pieces here. Go ahead and put this 2 on this side, and let's see if it'll make any difference. It looks like my red hair. I love it. Anyway, I think if you want something very fast, very reliable, very light, I think you should go with this hair because it took me about 2 hours to do. I was trying to like struggling with the front, but it's okay. It took me about, I think, let's just say 2.5 hours. Yeah. Let's go, yeah. Boom. Boom. Like, yes you do. I asked you a question, I'm answering for you. Yeah. Pretty. Pretty. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my video. It was fun making this hairstyle. Struggle at first with the moving the dress in the front. I'm not really. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Till next time. And don't forget, subscribe, share, and like. Alright, till next time. Bye!